Hello guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to see a mini-games calm and relax review. Mini-games is a wonderful app for anyone looking to de-stress and enjoy quick, satisfying sensory experiences. With its variety of engaging mini-games, soothing visuals and offline accessibility, it's a perfect companion for short breaks or moments of tranquility. It offers a stress relief focused content, wide game selection, beautiful design, and convenient play. The only downside is frequent ads, which can interrupt the experience. An ad appears when starting, failing a level, or even browsing game options. While this can be frustrating, the overall enjoyment of the app still makes it a worthwhile download. If you love relaxing games and can tolerate few ads, Mini-Games Calm and Relax is definitely worth a try for you. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.